Hi, my name is Haris, and this is my wife Sabrina. We are staying here at 𝘿𝙚𝙛𝙚𝙚𝙀. We first met up with Alex from Rest and Relax about 3 or 4 months ago. We got to know about the company through social media, through YouTube videos and all that. And getting to know Alex a bit better, we really like his designs and just the overall mood and feel. I think it was totally a good match for what we wanted in our apartment. I think the most important thing is Alex is the kind of person that tells you what works and what doesn't work. So sometimes you might see something outside and feel, hey, can we do this? And then he'll tell us, whether it's a good idea, whether it's a bad idea. And he's very, pretty patient with us and also very frank with us. People have different parts of the house that we love, right? Me personally, I love the study room because that's where I spend a lot of my time there. I do work from home quite a bit. And when I'm working from home, I'm in the study in front of my laptop, in front of my computer. So I spend a lot of time there. I also have a display cabinet in my study room. That's where I have, my collectibles, my toys and stuff like that.
Maybe the dressing room, because that's where I put all my bags. And then I have a quiet corner as well. So that's my favorite room. It's just nice and cozy.
So we'd like to thank Alex, Zack, and the Rest and Relax team, who's been great to work with. We really love the design and the whole experience, just working with the team. It's not just a great outlook for the house, but we just enjoyed every bit of the experience working with the team, right? The lifetime warranty is a huge plus for us, right? Because this is not our first renovation. We've done other renovations in our previous home, but I think this is the one that has a lifetime warranty. So we have assurance that this is it. If there's any issues, we know who to go to. And we would love to again work with Alex and Zack again.
Fantastic team.
A fantastic team, exactly.